Hi everyone, this is Becky with SmartPlans Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can select your time zone in Command. Command does have two different time zone settings that enable agents to utilize both SmartPlans and tasks, no matter what part of the world you may be based out of. So the first one, SmartPlan text steps that utilize Twilio, are limited to sending text between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. So updating this setting would enable agents across the world to make sure that the window is specific to your local area. They do also have time-based SmartPlan steps that allow an agent to set the general time a SmartPlan step executes, whether that is morning, afternoon, evening, etc. And this ensures that it goes out in the set time frame specific to your local time zone. So we are going to get started. We're going to log into Command, which is agent.kw.com. And we are going to click the drop-down menu under our name in the top right corner. And then we're going to click Settings. Under Settings, we are going to click Command Settings on the left-hand side. We are going to go down to SmartPlans. Under SmartPlans, we will see time and date. And from there, we can select a time zone for our SmartPlans. The one that is automatically going to be here is going to be Central Time Zone. So you want to make sure that that is up to date to your area. So you can click that drop-down menu and select your time zone from the list. Once you've selected your time zone, you can click Save Changes, and those changes will update automatically. The next one is going to be time zone for task due times. So that enables you to keep communication time zones separate from when your personal tasks are due, which is great, especially if you have anyone working for you virtually. So the default time zone, again, is going to be Central Time. And while we are in our settings, we are going to click Tasks, which is right under that SmartPlans section we were just under. And we're going to click Time Zone. Once we're there, again, we're going to have a drop-down menu that has all of the time zones to pick from. So we can pick the time zone that we are in, and then we can click Save Changes. Again, those settings are going to save, and those changes will take effect immediately. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are happy to help.